Good morning, dear children. Children, today is the last day of summer camp, and I hope you are going to enjoy this day too. Children, during summer camp, your mother must have helped you in many ways in making lemonade or in making some craft work. So, today is the day when you are going to help her. Today, you are going to organize a room and make her happy. Look at the condition of this room. It is so messy and unorganized. All the things are lying here and there. And you know what? It is done by this little boy, Calf. But now he is feeling guilty and is thinking what to do. Yes, he has an idea. Now he is going to arrange all the things at the proper place and is going to organize the room by himself. Children, books should never be kept on the table. See, the books are lying. It's not looking good. They should be arranged properly and kept at the right place, like he is doing. Yes, now the books are kept at the right place. And what is bag doing on the table? It should also be kept at the right place. The sofa covers are lying here and there, and because of this, the room is looking so bad. Now, Calf is going to organize and arrange all the covers and will try to make room look neat and tidy. Children, you should never think that we are too small for this work. We cannot do. How can we do? We are so small. No. You can do little things for your mother. You can also help your mother in her some kitchen work, or you can give water to the plants. All these little things done by you will bring big smile on your mother's face. Look at this boy. He is also not big, but at least he is trying. He is trying for his mother. So, you should also do the same. You should only have the will power to do. Okay, he has arranged sofa covers nicely. Now what is left to be done? Yes, the flower pots should also be kept properly. And children, always remember, your shoes and socks should not be lying on the floor like this. They should be kept outside the room. Wow, now he is happy. And you should also have a look. Yes, the room is so organized and is looking good. And it is done by this boy, Kef. So, children, you should also do small things for your mother with great love and help your mother at home.